like FYI, like we all are in a solar plexus activation, and 53% of the population has a defined solar plexus, which means that we have really strong energetic waves and we project our feelings out of us. And this is from Human Design. So when the more I learned about my design and then what was actually happening in my body and my lifestyle, I was so excited that I ate so much red, orange, and yellow foods because I just felt like I was supporting those 3 chakras. Because those 3 chakras, the root chakra, the sacral, and the solar plexus, they are all the ones that get programmed for human conditioning. They're from the heart down. So when we get stuck into fear mentality or separation consciousness, where we feel separate from God itself, that's a very lonely, deep-seated sadness that can turn in, like in my case, to self-hate. Like I hated my guts. And then I treated people the way I felt about myself and treated myself really badly. So when we do this work, even with our food, with colors that match the chakras, you're going to be healing the chakras and actually fusing the column within you. It's called the Hara line. And you're going to start to connect with your source energy. We're all source energy with God, but there's like fragments. And so we're all from different star systems. We all have different, in Gene Keys or Human Design, they call them the nanoparticles. Well, actually, astrophysicists call them the nanoparticles. That there are these smaller than subatomic parts that have mass, that flow through the planets and flow through our body while we're in utero and also while we're born. So that's how we say what's in our natal chart, that I'm a Pisces, I'm a Virgo, I'm a this, I'm a that. So my point is that when you do this work with your body, remember what I said, that these chakras are the heart down. So from the heart down, if you can't tap into everything that you are with your heart, the above chakras that are kind of like the thing that you get to play with and tap into and master who you are on an energetic level, like an energetic wizard, you can't access those. But then what happens is when you do this inner work that I'm teaching you in body energetics, my body energetic system, what ends up happening is you fuse the lower ones together and you start to activate the ones that are higher, and you're actually you'll like turn on your perception and you'll find out what your abilities are in your sixth sense, in your non-physical sense. So it's very exciting.